Maybe you are dealing with a situation where you are feeling, weak at an emotional level. Maybe you may be in a situation where you are feeling stuck or not having that enough courage to take a stand for something you want, or something which is important for your family or the closed one or the loved ones involved in the situation. Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general reading on past life lessons. Okay, for this reading I am using my ancestors and oracle decks. These cards have beautiful meaning and very deep meaning. So let's see what do the cards have. We will be taking out 7 cards in this with a different message. Okay, so the first one will be on what energies do you have from the past life. Please note it is a general reading, so please take what resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. The contact details are in the description of this reading. So now let's start. What energies do you have from your past life? We will first take the cards and later on we will do the readings for each card one by one. Alright, so let's see. What energy do you have or had in your past life? What energy do you have had from your past life? What energy do you have from your past life? Okay, I will take this. What gifts do you have? It can be you had in a past life, or even now you carry it with you. What gifts do you have from your past life, or you carry it with you even in this lifetime? Let's see, what gifts do you have or you carry with you from your past lives? Alright. Okay. Now let's see what are the current challenges, or what are the greater challenges which you have had, faced, or even facing in this lifetime. So you will think, right, how will I know in the previous life what challenge I have faced? So you know subconsciously, okay, your soul knows all the lessons, all the challenges the soul has gone through. So okay, just try to understand and go deeper when you're listening to the messages, and you will somehow definitely connect to your, the message the card is giving, on the kind of energy you may have been dealing with or attracting somehow if you're not learning the lessons it's trying to teach you. Okay, so we will see what are the greater challenges. Please tell me one card. Oh, greater challenges. Okay, which karma do you need to clear, or which karma is to be undone here? Which karma do you need to clear in this lifetime? Which karma do you need to clear in this lifetime? Right. What energy is supporting you? What energy is basically supporting you? What energy is basically supporting you? What energy is basically supporting you? Oops. Okay, I will take this. It wants to be taken. Alright. Okay. How will you grow through this energy? Wow. And let's see, what energy will you step as an outcome? What energy will you step in as the outcome? If you have gone through all this, what kind of energy will you step in as the outcome, or at the end of this cycle? What energy will you step in? Alright, I will take Okay, so alright, I'll take the bottom of the deck. So bottom of the deck is the traveler card. Okay, so travel is, it can be in the outer world or inner world. Okay, inner world is going deep within and trying to understand what your soul is trying to convey to you. Okay, so it can be through the kind of people or the situation you may be attracting unknowingly or knowingly in your life, and you need to observe the kind of pattern which is being repeated so that you know what kind of lesson you need to learn in your life. Okay, so it can be a journey. If you're feeling stuck somewhere, you need to look for a new direction. If not in outer world, then definitely in the inner world. Okay, all right, now let's see what energy do you have from your past life. Elder, healing through the lineage. So you need to figure out if you are being following the old belief system or the old pattern of your family, which is somewhere may not be as per the changing terms, and which is kind of, it can be for some of you, very few of you, it can be very specific, which is not healthy to be practiced. And if that is the case, your ancestors are definitely asking you to bring a change which can be for the betterment of the family members, for the loved ones involved, and for all the for the growth of your family in a very positive way. Okay, so if there is something which needs to be followed or needs to be changed, which is not as per the new changing terms, then you need to see how even a small change can be a big change, right? So you need to see that if there is something which needs to be changed in your family tradition or a specific pattern, and if it is not helping the people in the family to grow, then you need to figure out a different way, maybe a very small change. It can be like, it can be the female from the family stepping out for the work. It can be for some of the families it's a very huge thing, right? And for some it's a very normal thing. So I just gave it an example. So you need to figure out what change in your family is required, which your ancestors are willing you to do or bring a change in your family. It can also be that you can be the change, right? You can be the reason for a change, for a positive change, right? So just try to see that thing, that area where you think a change, a minor change but an important change is required. Okay, let's see what gifts do you have. Yeah, trust in the higher forces. Maybe you are the one who basically trust, like whatever happens is as per the divine timings. Whatever happen is your the elder one, the ancestors of your family, the angels are always there to guide you, and whatever will unfold in your life will be for your highest good. So if you are a believer of it, it's a very very good thing, and that is what the card is also saying, that you need to trust in the higher forces. Because see, the energies in the higher realm always work for our own good, for our own betterment, for our own growth, right? So you need to have trust that whatever will unfold will be, just a second. Hey, that was a power fluctuation, sorry for that. So if you believe that there are higher forces always working in your favor, then you are doing the right thing. But at the same time, sometimes just sitting, keeping hand on hand doesn't work, right? Sometimes you need to take action so that you get the support from the the higher energies, the spirits in the higher realm, so that they can even push you forward to even grow in a much speedier way, right? So you need to trust in the higher forces, and you are being blessed with the higher energy so that you can grow in your life. All right, now, all right, we'll take the third card. See, the current challenges you are facing is, maybe you are dealing with a situation where you are feeling weak at an emotional level. Maybe at you may be in a situation where you are feeling stuck or not having that enough courage to take a stand for something you want, or something which is important for your family or the closed one or the loved ones involved in the situation, and you are somewhere feeling weak that you are not able to take a stand. So the advice for you here is to be brave and honest. You gotta take stand for what you believe in. You need to take stand for your beliefs, and you have to be brave enough. Sometimes when we are in a difficult situation, we let the emotions overpower us, and sometimes we feel weak, right? So the guidance here is you have to be brave and honest with your own self, honest for your own belief, and take a stand. You have to be courageous, you have to be, very polite, very humble, very loving, but brave at the same time. Okay, so it's like the bravery doesn't come with being harsh. Okay, the bravery is when you have the courage to take a stand for yourself by not being harsh on other people. Okay, so it's just how you communicate in a loving way, proper way, in a well explained, well mannered way, by being brave and taking a stand for what you believe in, and which is for the good of all the people involved in the situation. Okay, so just try to make things understand, like make people understand involved how whatever you are going to do, or whatever stand you are taking, can be for your own good and for the good of the people involved. Okay, all right, now let's see which karma is required to be undone. It's the Magic Guardian. Unlock the magic within. See, here the first card was you need to, let the change happen, or be the reason to bring the change whichever is required, and that is what the Magic Guardian is saying. Unlock the magic within. So you have all the, knowledge, wisdom, whatever is required, but it is somewhere, it has dust over it. So you just need to clear off that dust, so that you know what capabilities you have, your own strength, and you can take this stand for what you need. Because sometimes, to change something is not easy. To bring a change, we need to be the change, right? So just try to be that, and try to realize your own hidden potential, your own skill, your own, your strengths, and work on that. Sometimes it happens that we are being told a certain way. That, just an example if I give you, it's like belief, that whatever, like the household chores is only the female work, right? Men cannot do it. But the most the great chefs are men also, right? So just need to work on your own belief system. If you have all the potential you need, right? So just work on that, and you will know how much you are capable of doing certain thing which you really want to. Okay, another thing is what energy will support you is that wait for the important information. Sometimes we are like, we take decisions in hurry, and we do not try to look for some more information to come in, so that we can take the next step in a much planned way, right? So all you have to do is listen to your intuition. Universe will send you so many messages which will be so much important for you to make that decision, or take that action which is important to bring that change or be that change. Okay, so just gather all the information which is required. Just wait for it. Don't be in a hurry, don't be in a rush to do something, or go for something. Just try to get all the information that is required. You will get everything if you ask for it. Just ask universe, and universe works in a wonderful way. So just ask universe, and you will get all the answers to your questions. You will get all the information. Once you have the information, it will be much easier for you to move ahead, right? So that is what you need to look for. Now we will see how will it help you grow. So sun, see, so once you have everything, you have all the information, you have all the knowledge, you know what you can do, what capabilities you have, and what change you need to bring, you will enjoy that success with happiness. Okay, so it's a sun card, it's a very positive card, it's a success card, and it's definitely a yes card. Okay, so you will have everything, whatever it's required for the goodness, for the growth, for the happiness of you and people around you, maybe the family or whoever, right? So that's a very positive card. So that is how things will grow in your life once you have this, all the courage to do what you really think you need to do. Your soul is basically calling, you know. Sometimes it's like a calling happens and we kind of overlook it. So just listen to your own intuition, listen to what your soul is saying, what you are in, what insights you are getting, and just work on it. Okay, we'll see the outcome. Wise one, grow within from your current situation. So once you have brought in all the changes, you will grow from a very in a very different way. You will have a different kind of confidence, a different happiness, a different kind of satisfaction that you have done something which was important to be done from so long. Okay, it can be you can also become an idol for someone who can share your experience with the people and help the people in general to grow in their life. Okay, and which is a very important thing. So you need to learn from your current situation what it is trying to teach you and grow for your own good, for the for basically the growth of everybody involved in the situation. Okay, so you know better in what kind of situation you are, but all I can see in a summarized way here is some action is required to be taken with so much of courage, so much of bravery, which for some of you, very few of you, may be a change in a specific tradition which has been followed since ages. Okay, so yeah, so maybe you are the one who is to bring that change and be the change. To bring the change, you have to be the change, and once that change happens and you know everything, you will enjoy that success. You will shine like a sun basically. Yeah, that's a very good reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights, and please do comment in the section that you are ready to grow. Okay, you welcome all the positive changes in your life, and the universe is supporting you for everything. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.